Education used to be like this. More and more, it's like this. And like this. And like this. And technology can be a big help. Or not. What you need technology to do is break down barriers without creating new ones. Open new doors for your students and your teachers. Peer-to-peer collaboration, chat, video, voice, online office hours, off-site learning. But it's got to be easy. It's got to make sense. It's got to fit right in to your teachers' routines, to your students' devices. That's Cisco Webex, the industry-leading collaboration solution customized for educators to integrate directly into your learning management system, so you can count on it to just work, breaking down those barriers, opening up the world. Cisco Webex.